How much does it cost to repair car roof damage? If you have ever wondered how much it costs to repair car roof damage, you are not alone. Roof damage can happen for various reasons, and understanding the costs involved is essential. Let's break it down. First, roof damage can include dents from hail, scratches, punctures, or even structural issues from accidents. The type of damage plays a significant role in determining repair costs. For minor cosmetic issues, like small dents or scratches, the repair can be quite affordable. One popular method for fixing small dents is paintless dent repair. This technique usually costs between $75 and $200 per dent, depending on its size and location. If the damage is more extensive, such as large dents or punctures, the costs can rise significantly. In cases where the roof needs replacing, you could be looking at a bill ranging from $1,000 to $4,000 or even more. The exact cost will depend on the make and model of your vehicle, labor rates, and whether new parts are necessary. If the entire roof structure is compromised, the costs could escalate even further, and the insurance company might declare the vehicle a total loss. When you file an auto insurance claim for roof damage, an adjuster from the insurance company will come to assess the situation. They will determine if the damage is covered under your policy and provide an estimate for repairs. Most standard auto insurance policies cover roof damage caused by accidents, falling objects, or weather events like hail, provided you have comprehensive coverage. Your out-of-pocket expenses will depend on your deductible, which is the amount you agree to pay before your insurance kicks in. For example, if your deductible is $500 and the repair cost is $2,000, your insurance will cover $1,500 after you pay the deductible. Keep in mind that filing a claim for roof damage can impact your insurance rates. Insurance companies may view multiple claims as a sign of increased risk, potentially leading to higher premiums in the future. Therefore, it is wise to weigh the cost of repairs against your deductible and any possible rate increases before filing a claim for minor damage. To summarize, repairing car roof damage can range from less than $100 for minor dents to several $1,000s for major repairs or replacements. Always check your insurance policy for coverage details and deductible amounts before proceeding with repairs or filing a claim. Documenting the damage with photos and keeping records of repair estimates can help make the claims process smoother.